Okay, so today we're going to do the negative, like to say it's not like that. Okay, and of course there's a special way of doing that in Afrikaans. So look at this food. Would you eat it? Would you say this is correct? She wants to eat the food? No. She doesn't want to eat the food. Sy wil nie die kos eet nie. Sy wil die kos eet is positief. Sy wil nie die kos eet nie is negatief. It's saying she doesn't want to eat it. Who could blame her, right? So let's have a look at how this pans out, because you have to know certain things about this. This is a statement. Sy wil die kos eet. It's not a true statement, but it doesn't matter. It's a statement. It's a stelling. It's not a question. It's not a command. It's not an exclamation. It's just a statement. A stelling. Is it a question? No, it's not a question. It's a statement. So in this lesson, we will only change statements into the negative, not questions. We'll deal with questions in another video, okay? So, here is the statement. Sy wil nie die kos eet nie. I want you to notice very carefully where the two ne's are. The first ni comes after verb 1. And the second ni comes at the end. In this case, it's after verb 2. It very often is after verb 2. But it doesn't matter. The second ni comes at the end of whatever the sentence is doing. Okay? But the first ni after verb 1. In Afrikaans, we like to say no in a very definite way. And the way we do it is we say no twice or not twice. Okay? This is not no, it's not, or did not, or do not. So I want you to say these things out loud now, because that way your ears and your brain and your mouth and everything will get used to it. Okay? So let's look at this statement. Die kar ry vinnig. The car goes fast. Let's see if that statement is true. Okay? Or if we should say the car doesn't go fast. Do you think this car is going fast? No. But it's not a question, right? It's a statement. So you're just going to negate the statement. You're going to say, die kar ry nie vinnig nie. The car doesn't go fast. If this was a question, you would answer it. It's not a question. It's a statement. This is an extremely important point, folks. Die kar ry vinnig is a statement. You take exactly the same sentence. You don't have to mix anything up or swap anything around. All you do is add the first ni after verb 1 and the second ni at the end of the sentence. Okay? So make sure you understand. First ni after verb 1, second ni after verb 2, or at the end of whatever sentence it is. Okay. So if there's no verb 2, you will just put the second ni at the end of the sentence. And it is so easy for an English-speaking person to forget that second ni. Don't do it. Remember the second ni, because the moment you forget that second ni, the whole sentence is wrong. You will lose the mark. So here's a statement. Ek trek 'n streep met my potlood en liniaal. I draw a line with my pencil and ruler. Liniaal is ruler. So, negatief. Ek trek nie 'n streep met my potlood en liniaal nie. You see? So there was extra information, but don't worry, because the second nie goes at the end. Right? Okay, let's look at this one. Sy kleur die prent in. She colors the picture in. That is, there's your verb 1, there's your verb 2. It is a statement which you are going to turn into the negative. Jy gaan die negatief skryf, want she doesn't color in the picture. Okay, the picture is not colored in. Sy kleur nie die prent in nie. So that's fairly easy. I'm hoping you understand. If not, just go and rewind a little bit and watch again. And I know you will do this work because you want to get better at Afrikaans, don't you? It's not a lot of work. I've had my turn. It's your turn now. Okay. So you're just going to write negatief ontkenning 1. That's important because there's a lot of videos on this subject. This is just the first one. So you're just going to write 1 in brackets after negatief ontkenning. And you're going to write 1, 2, 3. It's only 3 questions. Ek hou van boelies. This means I like boelies. Sy wil pose met my speel. She wants to play with me at break. But now she's a nasty one, so she doesn't want to. So, daar's jou werkwoord, there's your verb, jou gesegde. Dit is jou skuld as jy geboelie word. It is your fault if you are bullied. So, is it really your fault? No, it isn't, eh? And there's your first verb. Verb 1, verb 1, verb 1. I've helped you now. But you notice verb 1 is always in the second position. It doesn't mean it's the second word, necessarily. In these cases, it is the second word. But after the subject or after the time or whatever is verb 1. Okay? So, when this red button disappears, that is when you need to pause your video. And you remember, you must write negatief ontkenning, or you can just write negatief and in brackets 1. And then I'm going to give the answers. So you need to pause your video now. Ek hou nie van boelies nie. Simple. Sy wil nie pose met my speel nie. En dit is nie jou skuld as jy geboelie word nie. It's not your fault if you are bullied. Okay? So you can pause again to make sure you have put all the words in the right order. You've started your sentence with a capital, hoofletter, punt na die tyd, en die 2 nies in die regte plekke. The 2 nies in the right spaces. Okay? Good. Did you learn from this video? I hope so. Tell someone who needs it too. Tell them about afrikaanssucces.co.za. Tot ziens!